Welcome to Brainetainment, your one-stop channel for insightful and fun learning. Here at Brainetainment, we are committed to creating content that not only entertains but also enriches your knowledge. We believe in sharing information that stimulates your mind while sparking curiosity, and what better topic to explore than fitness and health. Today, we're turning our focus to a fitness system that has been revolutionizing workouts for nearly a century. A system that promotes strength, flexibility, and a holistic approach to health. Yes, we're talking about Pilates, an exercise regime that has been lauded by fitness enthusiasts worldwide and has been steadily gaining recognition for its multifaceted benefits. Whether you're a seasoned fitness buff looking to diversify your exercise routine or a beginner seeking a gentle introduction into the world of fitness, Pilates offers something for everyone. So, join us as we delve into the world of Pilates, a fitness system that has been around for nearly a century. So what exactly is Pilates? It's more than just a workout routine. Pilates is a physical fitness system developed in the early 20th century, and it emphasizes the balanced development of the body through core strength, flexibility, and awareness to support efficient, graceful movement. It's a holistic approach to body conditioning that helps us navigate our daily lives with strength and ease. At the heart of Pilates is the concept of contrology, or the science of control. This is all about using your mind to control your muscles, focusing particularly on the core muscles that help keep the body balanced and provide support for the spine. Pilates exercises are designed to train several muscle groups at once in smooth, continuous movements. By developing proper technique, you can retrain your body to move in safer, more efficient patterns of motion, making it invaluable for injury recovery, sports performance, good posture, and optimal health. Pilates is also unique in its approach to the concept of body and mind. It's not about mindlessly repeating a series of exercises. Instead, it encourages an intense concentration on the body's movements, promoting a strong mind-body connection. You're taught to be mindful of your body, to understand how it works, and to control its movements. Unlike many other forms of exercise, Pilates does not require you to overexert yourself or strive for a state of exhaustion. Instead, it emphasizes quality over quantity. You don't need to do a lot of repetitions of each move, but instead you should do fewer, more precise movements, requiring proper control and form. Another unique feature of Pilates is its adaptability to many fitness levels and needs. Whether you're a senior just starting to exercise, an elite athlete, a pregnant woman, or recovering from an injury, a Pilates workout can be tailored to suit your individual needs. Pilates, therefore, is not just an exercise, it's a method of movement and physical wellness. It's about developing a body that's strong, flexible, and balanced, with a focus on mindful movement and a deep connection between the body and mind. Pilates didn't just appear out of thin air. It has a rich history dating back to the early 20th century. Let's take a journey back to a time when fitness wasn't as accessible or widespread as it is today. The year was 1925, and a young German man named Joseph Pilates was on a mission to improve his physical strength to overcome his ailments. He was determined to create a system that would not only help him but others too. Joseph was no ordinary man. He was a nurse, a boxer, a self-defense trainer, and a circus performer. But most importantly, he was a visionary. He believed in the power of mind over body, and that physical health could be achieved through mental control. This belief led him to develop what we now know as Pilates, a revolutionary exercise regimen focused on core strength, flexibility, and mindful movement. Joseph's first Pilates studio was far from the sleek modern spaces we see today. It was actually in the same building as the New York City Ballet. He started training dancers, and soon his method gained popularity within the dance community for its ability to build strength without adding bulk, improve flexibility, and rehabilitate injuries. From there, Pilates began to gain traction. By the mid-20th century, it was being practiced by athletes, actors, and everyday people looking to improve their physical fitness. Joseph's method was unique because it offered a holistic approach to fitness. It wasn't just about building muscle or burning calories. It was about creating harmony between mind and body. Sadly, Joseph Pilates passed away in 1967, but his legacy lived on. His students, known as the Elders, continued to teach and spread his method. Today, Pilates is practiced globally, with millions of people reaping the benefits of Joseph's revolutionary approach to fitness. And so, from a small studio in New York City, Pilates has grown into a globally recognized and respected fitness system. It's a testament to the power of Joseph's vision and the timeless appeal of a fitness method that promotes not just physical strength, but mental and emotional well-being too. From its humble beginnings, Pilates has grown into a globally recognized and respected fitness system. Now that we know what Pilates is and where it came from, how does it work? At the heart of Pilates, there are 6 key principles that define its essence. These principles aren't just random components, they're interlinked and work together to create a holistic fitness regimen. The first principle is concentration. Pilates is not just about physical movements, it's also about mental focus. It's about being mindful of each muscle you're moving, each breath you take, and each posture you hold. This mindfulness enhances the connection between the mind and body, enabling you to perform exercises with maximum benefit. Next comes control. Every Pilates exercise is performed with control to ensure movements are beneficial and safe. This isn't about speed or repetitions, it's about mastering the control of your own body and moving it with precision and grace. The third principle is center. In Pilates, the center refers to the core of the body, the powerhouse. All Pilates exercises originate from this powerhouse, and by strengthening it, you enhance your overall fitness and stability. Flow, the fourth principle, is about the fluidity and grace of the movements. Each exercise flows into the next, creating a smooth and continuous motion that not only improves flexibility, but also builds strength. Precision, the fifth principle, is integral to Pilates. Each exercise has a purpose and needs to be performed with precise alignment and technique. Precision in execution ensures you're working the right muscles and not straining or neglecting any part of your body. Finally, we have breathing. Proper, controlled breathing is crucial in Pilates. It fuels the movements, aids in concentration, and helps in the efficient release of toxins from the body. These 6 principles, concentration, control, center, flow, precision, and breathing, come together in every Pilates workout. They create a unique fitness approach that not only strengthens the body, but also sharpens the mind, improves posture, and boosts overall health. With these principles, Pilates provides a holistic approach to fitness that engages the mind, body, and spirit. A Pilates isn't just popular for its unique approach. It also offers a host of benefits. Indeed, Pilates is a fitness marvel that has been embraced the world over, and for good reason. For starters, it significantly improves strength. Regular Pilates sessions help develop a strong core, the body's powerhouse, enhancing overall physical strength. It's not just about the abs, though. Pilates works the body as a whole, leading to uniform muscle development. This means all your muscles get a piece of the action from your neck down to your toes. Then there's flexibility. Pilates has a knack for lengthening and stretching the muscles, leading to improved flexibility and joint mobility. So whether you're an athlete looking to enhance your performance or someone who simply wants to touch their toes without wincing, Pilates has got you covered. Balance is another key benefit. Pilates' focus on core strength and body control naturally improves balance and coordination. This is particularly beneficial for older adults, helping them maintain their independence and reducing the risk of falls. Beyond the physical, Pilates also promotes body awareness. It encourages mindful movement, where you're in tune with your body, understanding how it moves and works. This heightened awareness leads to better posture, improved alignment, and a healthier relationship with your body. But the benefits of Pilates don't stop there. It has also proven to be an effective tool in injury prevention and rehabilitation. Its low-impact nature, combined with its focus on core strength and flexibility, makes it a safe choice for those recovering from injuries. Pilates can help rebuild strength and mobility without straining the body, making it an ideal companion to physiotherapy. In essence, Pilates is more than just a workout. It's a holistic approach to fitness that cultivates strength, flexibility, balance, and body awareness. It's a system that emphasizes the harmony between mind and body, promoting overall wellness. These benefits make Pilates a versatile fitness system suitable for anyone, regardless of age or fitness level. So there you have it, a brief but comprehensive look at Pilates. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of this unique exercise system, from its intriguing history to its fundamental principles. We've delved into how Pilates works, targeting specific muscle groups to improve strength, flexibility, and overall body awareness. We've also explored the numerous benefits of incorporating Pilates into your regular fitness routine, from enhancing your physical performance to promoting mental well-being. The magic of Pilates lies in its versatility. It caters to everyone, from seasoned athletes to fitness rookies, offering a refreshing blend of strength and flexibility training that is both challenging and rewarding. So why not give Pilates a try? Experience the transformative effects firsthand and discover a new level of fitness and wellness. Remember, fitness is not just about physical strength, it's also about mental resilience and overall wellness. Thanks for tuning into Brainetainment. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on our next educational journey.